Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing another coding exercises using call by value. So we're going to write a program where a function doubles the value of a number using call by value and show that the original value in main is unaffected. So even if it was not mentioning call by value, when it says that show the original value in the main function is unaffected, it means that we need to use the call by value. To do so, we have a function here to do the doubling the number and the main function. We always start from the main function. So we initialize one number as to be 15, then we print the value saying that before we call the function, the value is this. So we expect that it would print before function called number equals 15. Then we call the function with this number. So the number is passed to this argument is passed to this function. So the name of the function, it's a void function and it has only one argument and it's a must argument. It's not optional because it does not have equal sign, etc. So it's a must argument. It's not optional like the functions with default values. So I try to remind all of these things while I'm talking to let you hear them again and again, so somehow you learn it by heart. So here, what this function is going to do is that it's going to take the n and double the number and print the number. So it's going to take the number 15 and then this number is doubled and the value is printed. So 15 times 2, it will be 30. 30 is going to be printed as the new value of n because we assigned 15 times 2 is assigned to n again, so the new value of n is 30. However, when this function is finished, the code finishes this line of execution and it goes to the next line. After function called number equals 2, we expect to show the number 15 here again. Why? Because we are using call by value. Let's run the code and see how it goes. Okay, so let's analyze the code one more time. Here we are initializing the number, it's equal to 15. We say before function call number equals 15 because it is initialized here and we're just printing it here, so it is 15. We call the function, we go to the function, we double the number and we print the value. So when we double the number using this line, it's going to print 30 for us. So here n equals 30. We modify the value of n. And when this function is finished, we are in this line, and the program goes to execute line number 14. So after function call number equals, we're going to print this, it still prints 15. So whatever the modification is done, it's done in this function locally and it does not impact the original value of the number. Why? Because we are calling by value. So when we are calling by value, this original number is not passed to this function, but a copy of this number is passed to do further mathematical operations here. And that's it. So the original number remains the same. This is how call by value will work. However, in call by reference, things are different. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how to call a function by reference. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't had the chance yet to rate the course, we appreciate it if you could give it the stars. And also if you have some constructive feedback and comments, we appreciate to have them because it would help us to improve the course for future students. Thank you very much.